Hi guys and welcome back to Coding, and today we are here in the chat with Mistral AI. It's actually quite cool. We have like a few models, very cute. Look at these little eyes. It isn't cute like if you flip it upside down. But yeah, let's just get started. So it's a large 2 model, so reasonable capabilities. So let's define pi. So define pi. Okay, long pi is a mathematical constant that represents the ratio of the blah 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 approximately equal to 3.4. Oh my gosh, that is a ton of digits. I never knew that. Oh gosh. Alright, the record for the most number of pi digits calculated is containing being calculated of advanced algorithms. Okay, so this is like super advanced because I can only remember 3.1415926. That's all I can remember because my Apple Watch password. Oh yeah, I have to tell you that. Anyways, but yeah, so let's try code trial. So if this is good at code, so maybe create code to find factors for a number using Python. Very nice program that costs. So long there's next one. And yes, I use Grammarly because my grammar is really bad. Okay, let's see. Wait, yeah, my mouse gets like really laggy when I'm like using the headphones. So let's share this tab. Let's create a record. Oh gosh, why do I need to upgrade to Replit Core? That is not nice. Nice. $120 a year. No, I'm not upgrading. Luckily, I have like a ton of Rebels, so some of them I never use. So I'm just reusing this one I call calculator. Yeah. So let's just paste this code. Alright. Come on, press the run button like mouse. Something wrong. Okay, why did it say 36? I don't know, let's run it. Why does it keep doing 36? Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, there's something wrong. If we just edit the code, which I can never get my mouse to work. Yeah, there is like something wrong here. Come on. Can't press something. Here we go. Maybe number equals to, let's go back to here input, let's have that. Okay, maybe we can just run it. So, alright, let me enter a number now, computer. Please. I'm really angry at my mouse. I need to like off it. And then okay, good one now. Alright, okay, let's try 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. That's really nice. Okay, let's run that again. Maybe let's try 7. There'll be 1 and 7 because I'm really smart and I know that 7 is a prime number. And prime numbers only have 2 factors, which is 1 and itself. Right? I think so. That's the definition of prime number. Alright, let's go back to the chat. And maybe let's try something else. This is fast and cost effective. Let's try Mistral large 2 again. Maybe let's explain factors and multiples. Don't worry, I'm not done. I know what factors and multiples are. Factors is like what can be times or what can be multiplied to make a number, and multiples are the like 3, 6, 9, 12, like something like that. Okay, factors and multiples are fundamental concepts, blah blah blah. You can use real numbers as previously. Alright, yes, that is true. Very, very smart. Okay. Alright. Okay. That is true. So if A is a factor of B, then B is a multiple of A. That is very true. Good explaining. I'll give you that. Yeah, let's like it. I would like to like stuff for some reason. Okay, maybe agents. Let's see what that is. I hope I don't have to pay. Oh, I don't have to pay. Okay, so yeah, let's accept all of these. What subscription is this? I need a subscription. What is a subscription? Free trial. What is the free trial? Yeah, I'm not verifying my phone number. I'm not on there like account or like messaging. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm not creating an agent because it needs me to verify my number and probably send all sorts of promos and stuff. Yeah, so Mistral AI is good. I really like it. It's really nice and good. It even has my favorite things of these little details. They're just nice. That define the high. Yeah, this is really cool. I like Mistral and everything. I just don't like Replit because like I can't code anymore. All they want is my money again. I really hate this. And on this one, there's something wrong with my voice acting. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. And all I have to say is bye guys and Mistral AI. Bye!